Welcome everyone. Today I want to talk about renovation filters in Archicad. You find the renovation filters down below in the quick option toolbar, or you can open them at Document Renovation Filter Options. What's the renovation filter good for? Well, often architects work with already existing buildings, and in these cases you have to show the existing structure as well as the parts you want to demolish and the new structure, and all of these in one plan. And I can only speak for Germany, Switzerland and South Africa because I've worked there, but in all of these countries new building structures are shown in red and demolished parts are shown in yellow. And please let me know if it's the same or if it's something else in your country. Leave me a comment down below in the comment section. I'm excited to know that. When we take a look in the filter options, we see already presetted options by default. And they are usually fine. I don't want to change anything here, but let's take a look on how it works. Here you have all the settings and you can create new ones, delete them, import, export, rename, blah blah. You already know that. But the most interesting thing here is the preview window. It gives you a really quite accurate preview of how the plans should look like. Down here we have the filter settings. In each filter you can choose different graphical overrides for existing elements, demolished and new elements. I will show you in a minute how you can tell a piece of structure which type of these three options it should be. And you can choose between show, hide and override. In addition to that, you can also choose how some parts should be displayed. For example, you can hide the opening markers or make all fill cuts in a solid color instead of showing its constructional hedge, for example. But what if this is not enough and you want to set up more than this? Then you can always use the graphic override rules down here. And again, it's only available in Archicad 21 and Archicad 22. In this menu you can set your own overrides just for the renovation filters. And if you don't know how it works, you should watch the last video of this video series on my YouTube channel. Let's see how it works. When you go into the settings of any 3D element, you always have this last point here, classification and properties. I like to call it BIM options because here you can type in all your BIM specific data. And as you can see, one of the points here is already called renovation. Here you can choose between existing, demolished or to be demolished and new. You also have the opportunity to tell the piece of structure that it should only be shown in one of the specific renovation filters. But let's leave it at all relevant filters and change it to be demolished. Now that the wall is set up to be demolished, we can choose the new construction filter, for example, and we see that the wall turns into yellow now. And the new construction filter should also display the new walls, of course. So let's draw a new wall and set it to new. And now you see it turns into red. And you can also see these filters in 3D as well as in sections or elevations. And basically, yeah, that's it. I hope you learned something new. If you think it was helpful, leave a like or leave a comment underneath this video. Thank you for watching, and as always, have a great day and stay creative.